I thought that ripping it up just as it is was going to help, guy. But you guys, what?
It was at this moment that he knew.
And so after seeing that happen, I decided to use my scissors.
But something in my head, just something told me, do it again. Just do it again. It will come out straight this time. So just try. I don't know, the devil is a liar. Because what?
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another cloth video. So I just got these pants from town on the streets of Nakuru, and they were 150 shillings only, and I just couldn't resist, so I just got them, and they are pretty fine. The waist is a little bit big, but at the front it holds me nicely, so that's really nice because jeans never fit me like that, honestly. The problem with these jeans is that the legs are super long, like they are very long, so that is why we are here today.
1 hour.
Really anyways, that is why we are here today. That is why we are here today. We are remaking that whole leg. We are making is it frayed? I think it's frayed, a frayed leg. Okay, yeah, I think it's frayed. It's frayed legs down there. So yeah, I want to make another rip just below my pocket. Just a small rip, not very much, just enough drip. And then I also want to make one at my knee, hapo tu karibu na mguu, alafu another one down there where we're making the frayed legs. So yeah, let's just get right on into the video. Okay, just hold up a minute. So in case you just want to wear it like that, you can still fold it up and then you wear it with your boots or anything like that, and it still looks nice. So yeah, let's now get right on into the video. So what we are gonna need, we're not gonna need pins, we're just gonna need one of them. A tape measure, of course, scissors to cut our jeans, a pencil for marking because it is easy to wash off, a thread that I did not even use, and this sandpaper that I am going to use. And yeah, that is basically everything. If you have tweezers, that will be very helpful. So yeah, let's just get right on. So first things first, I started with unfolding because I had folded it to know where like I want it to reach. I unfolded it once and then I used the pencil to mark that the area that I wanted to cut off and make the phrase right there. So that is what we are doing. Okay, so after marking both legs, I decided to use a tape measure to measure the distance between like that. Oh, and sorry you guys, I am using that kamat because the rag under will hold on to the thread and we don't want that. So yeah, as I was saying, I am using tape measure to measure the distance between both legs so that they can be equal, so that one leg is not longer than the other one. So that is what I was doing with the tape measure, just ensuring that the legs will become symmetrical when we are done. I am using the scissors to cut these jeans. This was the tricky part. I had previously thought that cutting these jeans was going to be easy because I thought it was like that material that you just rip and it just comes out straight, like you know the Ankara ones that you just cut off. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but anyway, I thought it was going to be the same way, but As you can see, I pretty much messed up, but I was lucky because I had actually measured the wrong measurement. Like, it was still very long. Like, after fitting it, it was still very long. As you can see, I kept on tearing the same way, and I don't know what was going on in my mind. I just didn't want to use the scissors because I thought it was just going to come out straight. But finally, after seeing how much mess I had done, I had to use the scissors. So I'm gonna show you guys with this leg that I used the scissors. So as you can see, the other leg came out pretty well, and I fit it, and I still thought it was quite long, so I cut it again. And yeah, let's get into the fraying part. So for the fraying part, I'm gonna be using these small scissors because we do not have tweezers. Are they tweezers? Yeah, I think they're tweezers. We do not have those two tweezers that help you remove the threads, so I'm gonna use that small pair of scissors. But if you have, are they called tweezers, you guys? Anyway, but if you guys have tweezers, you can use them to just hold on to the thread and pull it or pluck it. But this also helped because it cuts as it plucks out the thread. But along the way, I decided to use the pins that I showed you guys. I was using one to help me pluck out, so I kept alternating between the two, between the scissors and the pin. Yeah, and that is basically what you're going to do as you see me demonstrate in the video. So after a few minutes of struggle, it was coming on quite okay. This was the leg that I had not cut straight. That is why it looks all unstraight and stuff. But anyway, I felt like it looked good, so I didn't have to cut it again. So I decided to put a small carip right above the frayed legs. And yeah, that is exactly what I'm gonna be doing right now. First of all, marked 2 lines where I'm gonna cut with the small scissors that were really helpful. If you find small scissors, then you are good to go. So I cut those 2 small holes parallel to each other. That is how they look like. So I realized that these jeans, they have the inner part has that white thread. The white thread is in horizontal form, so you can just pull them up slowly and carefully, and then you'll just have a very simple time. So you just find one thread and then you pull it up, and then it just goes in one good rhythm, if you get what I'm saying, because it was quite easy after I realized that. I knew it was supposed to be there, but I just think it's because this leg did not come out right. Yeah, but anyway, after plucking out the thread, that is how it looks. And then I'm gonna be using the sandpaper that I showed you guys to just rub that area and make it look distressed and ragged, because we don't want one part to look new, very new, and then just all of a sudden there's a ragged part. We want it to look nice and even and something kind of the 90s, you know. So yeah, the sandpaper helps you to do that. So that is basically how it looks. I think it turned out really nice. It looks the part as you can see. So we are gonna do the same for the other leg. that we have not even begun, but I have a feeling that that leg is gonna look better than this other one. So yeah, that is the comparison. Those are the two legs before, and that is the one I have already done. So let's get into doing the other one. So I didn't see the need to show you guys the whole process again, so I just plucked it, and this is how it looks like. It looks better because I think it's because I cut it straight. But anyway, those are both the legs, and I think I did a pretty good job because this was one hell of work, guy. Hey, but anyhow, so I decided that I also wanted the other leg to have like a small detail, so I am gonna rip it right there in the middle to give it that raggedy effect, plus the frayed legs. That is gonna look really nice. So yeah, I am just doing the exact same thing, making holes and using the sandpaper to rip it off and make it look ragged and type of old. Yeah, and then when I was done, I cut off the excess threads that were hanging just to make it look neat and everything and all that good thing, you know. But anyway, yep, I was pretty impressed by that other leg. For just some reason, I was pretty impressed by that leg, but I kept on removing the thread. I didn't leave it like that, but that is how it looks right now. And yeah, so after we are done with the legs, we have that part right under the pocket where we have to put that small rip. And I am doing this by putting 4 horizontal holes just to make it a bit longer, and I'm gonna put this on time elapse because it is just the same thing that we did with the other rips. So yeah, enjoy. Whoosh, we are finally done, and you guys, I can't believe that it turned out this good. Look at that leg, oh my lord. And I put on these boot heels just to give it the whole juice and sauce. But anyway, you guys, it turned out so good. I am so impressed by myself, but you know what, you can do it too, and that is my happy dance. But anyway, you can also put it on with sneakers. I couldn't find the laces, so don't judge, don't be judging me out here. I couldn't find the laces to these ones, but anyway, you just gonna sauce it up with whatever you have and make it look good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Bye.